the officer trainees of Indian Naval Material Management Service and Indian Naval Armament Service called on President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Interacting with the officers, the President said that with India acquiring a bigger role on the global stage, officers of Naval Material Management Service and Naval Armament Service would play an important role in supporting the Indian Navy through efficient logistics management by leveraging advanced technology. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held bilateral talks with his New Zealand counterpart, Christopher Luxon, in New Delhi. Both leaders agreed to deepen defense and security linkages between India and New Zealand and showed keen interest in boosting trade ties and working closely in sectors such as dairy, food processing, pharmaceuticals, renewable energy, education and horticulture among others. PM Narendra Modi and the Prime Minister of New Zealand Christopher Luxon jointly inaugurated the Raisina Dialogue 2025. The Raisina Dialogue is India's flagship conference on geopolitics and geoeconomics, committed to addressing the most challenging issues facing the international community. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh met the US Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard in New Delhi. They emphasized that strategic security remains a vital pillar of the comprehensive global strategic cooperation between the two nations. Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman launched the Prime Minister Internship Scheme app in New Delhi. The app makes the information on the PM Internship Scheme accessible in all Indian languages. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that every language in India should have its prominence, especially if the students are from non-metropolitan cities.